Hello, my name is Salsabila Arnaud. Currently, I am studying in Deputy International University in CSC. I am very passionate about technology. Today, I am gonna talking about myself, uh, my skills, education, and experience, and how I approach teamwork. I'm going to talk about my skill and strength. My core skill in programming, like C Sharp, C++, Python. I do something like AI agents, something in Unity. Unity. I created some indie games, which is in C Sharp. I developed some AI app like generated text to video, text to image, something like that. And I love making app in my daily life. I'm talking about my education and experiences. As I said before, I am currently pursuing my degree in Daffodil University in CSC department, where I am building a foundation in computer science and software. During my journey, I learned various kind of code language and some ethical works experience, and this journey is very helpful to me to pursuing my future dream. One of my proudest achievements I have developed a couple of games in Unity using C# language, and there are open source on my GitHub. I also build a real life apps that solve everyday problems. Else, like I have developed a secure messaging app that secure our message to the finest level, that quantum computing can not crack that using a very popular library from Python. And I have to work with some teams also in various projects, some Java projects and Kotlin projects also. To summarize, I am a very passionate and curious developer who loves building apps, whether it's on AI or app developing, or create beautiful games. Thank you for watching my video.